Hi. Didn't notice you there. Just doing a little bit of light reading. What am I studying, you ask? Oh, the physiology of sport and exercise, or as it's known as exercise physiology. What's that? You like me to explain to you what it is? So, as we begin, let's first think about exercise physiology. Exercise, we know what that means. Physiology, though, that's where it gets a little tricky because that's a sciencey word. So we know ology is the study of, so therefore it's the study of the physical and biological changes that exercise brings to the body. So as we're talking about exercise physiology, let's see the book definition of what exercise physiology actually is. Hi. So now that we've seen the definition, so what? What does that do for you or I on a daily basis? Well, we talked about homeostasis, and exercise physiology studies the changes that exercise, when introduced, how it changes homeostasis. So let's start with homeostasis being your body's normal internal atmosphere, how it normally wants to act, and how it normally will act. Your body undergoes a lot of processes to create energy for you to move. Doing this requires energy. So there's a lot of processes that are going on in your body, either physical, biological, or metabolically. Our bodies are always undergoing changes. These changes can be voluntary or, as the body works, involuntary quite a bit. So the functions that are in your body depend on things that you do in your foods and also things that you don't do that automatically happen. Okay? When we become physically active, we can bring about changes in our body, things that will improve our health, things that will improve our fitness, and things that will improve the way our body works. Now, because exercise physiology is a scientific study, it does involve a lot of systems, a lot of substrates, a lot of chemicals that go into the body, such as these. But now that we got the scientific stuff out of the way, let's just pull back and rap a little bit. Because you don't need to be a scientist or a strength and conditioning coach to understand this. So understand and educate yourself on how the things that you eat, the carbs, the fats, and the proteins that were previously listed, those things are stored as energy in your body, in your muscles, and in organs such as your liver. When your body needs energy, it breaks down the stored energy that is stored inside your muscles and those organs. They convert those and it produces ATP, which is a vital source of energy for your body. It's what your body needs in order to produce functions, metabolic functions, physical functions, as well as brain activity. Did you know carbs are the only substrate that your brain needs for activity? But your body does need fats and proteins. So the study of exercise physiology leans into how exercise and diet change your body, change for the better, and sometimes can change for the worse. But that change is happening whether you realize it or not. Oh, so to wrap it up, your body's undergoing changes all the time, metabolically and physically. So the things that you can do with exercise and diet will help those changes to benefit you and improve the homeostasis, improve the functioning of your body. In a nutshell, the more good things you do, the more you can take away some of the bad things that happens in the body that we can't control. Things such as cancer. But we can control things such as diabetes. We can control high blood pressure, also known as hypertension, and we can just generally improve our health. So in summation, Exercise physiology, the study of how exercise changes the homeostasis of your body, has been explained rudimentary. My name is Andre Scott. This has been Exercise Physiology Made Simple. Now, back to my reading. It's great information. Great information.